Yes, welcome back, guys. Welcome to Global Gift TV. This video I'll be showing you how to earn free USDT from this free USDT mining site. You can be earning free USDT from this site, okay? If you are new to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel, like this video, okay, and drop a nice comment about this video, okay? And make sure you turn off the notification button so YouTube can notify you anytime I post a new video, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is that click on this start, okay? You have to register your account. Put your email, you put your password, okay? After that, it automatically log into your account. Okay, let me log into my account to see now, okay? Yes, it's earning. Here the TRS is mining by itself, okay? Mining by itself, but to earn more you can deposit to earn more, okay, from the site. Also copy your referral link so that you can refer people to the site, okay? And please don't do multiple accounts because it will be cancelled and all the effort you are putting in each account to be wasted, okay? Don't try to do multiple accounts because all your login details has been in this site, okay? See login IP. Okay, I don't advise you to do multiple accounts. You are seeing there. Don't try multiple accounts, okay? Yeah, you have any deposit method, okay? You want to deposit with USDT, TRS, okay? Any deposit you want, you can deposit, okay? So you are depositing with TRS and put the amount of TRS you want to deposit and the amount 100 TRS is there, okay? Click on this make deposit and they will generate you wallet you are going to pay to, okay? Copy the address and go to your trust wallet or any of your cryptocurrency to make the payment, and time will be counting, okay? Make sure you complete the steps, okay? And you'll be earning 5% every day, okay? Earning 5% every day from the site. The site is a new site which you can see, make up and earn from the site, okay? Okay, you can also join their Telegram group. Check more about the site, okay? Okay, let's go through the dashboard and see how the site works fully, okay? Okay, going back now, let's see how the site work. Okay, let's go back to our history there now. Let's log out our account. Okay, yes, the site we earning 5% every day for 30 days. The one deposit there is $5, okay? $5 we earning 5% every day. You can do your calculation on your calculator, okay, to see how much you be earning every day from this new site, okay? But if you want to earn more, you can deposit 400 USDT. You'll be getting 7% every day, okay? Site is a new site and minimum to deposit for TRS is 100 TRS, okay? 100 TRS. And you'll be getting 5% for any referral you refer to this site, okay? I'm telling you that the site is just a new site. It was launched December 26, 2022, and today being December 31. Okay, the site is still new, it's still fresh. Okay, you can still check the last payout. Okay, they are paying. Okay, the complaint is from Netherlands. Okay, you can go on and check about the complaint or the site fully. Okay, and they have 4,000 people who have joined them. Okay, the new site, you can also benefit from it. Because getting 5% every day is a good investment platform which you can invest, which is not constant schemes. Okay, and I want to invest, just let's do calculator here. Okay, if you want to invest 200 TRS, okay, 200 TRS, daily profit you'll be earning 10% every day. Okay, earning 10% every day, and every day totally for 30 days to be 300 TRS. Okay, or want to earn more, just proceed something like 1000 TRS. Okay, for 30 days we are going to earn 1,500 TRS. Okay, and the site is just 4 days online. Okay, it's 4 days online. Site can still pay you, and anything I drop in this platform, it may work for you, it may not work for you, depending on how serious you take the opportunity serious. Okay, just have to take advantage of this site. Okay, let's see, you're going for the 7%. Okay, I'm going for the 7%. Let's see. The 7%, let's say you deposit something like 500 TRS, 5,000 TRS. Okay, it is not showing there. You can do a calculation on your own. Okay, if you are depositing 5,000 TRS, you'll be getting 250 TRS every day, and total profit is for 30 days to be 7.5 TRS. Okay, 7,500 TRS. Okay, this you are going to get. You can go on and register. I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can register, and you're getting 5% bonus. Okay, 5% bonus for new investment. Okay, log into your account now. Okay, yeah, you see my own. Okay.